Hello dear students, welcome again. Today we are going to study one example from topic Some Applications of Trigonometry in exercise 9.1 question number 15. So let us see this example. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. So here AB is a tower and B is a foot of the tower, and this is a straight highway, say DB. Okay, a man standing at the top of the tower. So man is standing at point A here. Observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. So here angle EAD is 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of the tower with uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. So the car takes 6 seconds to travel distance DC. Okay, an angle of depression becomes 60 degree here, right? Find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from that point. Now here we have to find time required to travel distance CB. So let us write the given things here. Here AB is height of tower, right? Angle of depressions are given here. Depressions, that is angle EAD is equals to 30 degree and angle EAC is equals to 60 degree, right? B is a foot of the tower. Now AE is a horizontal line and BD is a, we can say, the road which leads to the foot of the tower, that is B. So these two lines will be parallel to each other, and therefore we can write then angle EAD equals to angle ADB. Also angle EAC equals to angle ACB, right? Reason is alternate angles. These are the alternate angles. As EA and BD are parallel to each other, therefore alternate angles are equal. Okay, so let's see now in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, so this is ABD, this triangle, right? So as we discussed here, alternate angles are equal. So this angle will be 30 degree and this angle will be 60 degree. So in triangle ABD, angle D is 30 degree, and therefore we'll use here a tan ratio, and therefore tan 30 degree is equal to AB, that is opposite side upon adjacent side, AB upon BD, right? And we know that tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3 is equal to AB upon BD, right? Now let's find the value of BD here. Therefore we can write BD is equal to AB into root 3. This equation we want to use, therefore we will give equation number 1. Now in triangle ABC, we'll use here tan ratio again. So tan 60 degree is equals to what? AB upon BC, right? We know tan 60 is root 3. Therefore, root 3 is equal to AB upon BC, right? And therefore, we'll find the BC here by using transposition method. So, BC is equal to AB upon root 3. This is equation number 2. Okay. Now, we can see that DCB are collinear points, and therefore we can write DC equals to BD minus BC, right? DC is equal to BD minus BC, and we have found here BD and BC. So let us substitute this equation values of BD and BC respectively. So AB multiplied by root 3 minus AB upon root 3. We can write here from 1 and 2, right? Now here AB root 3 multiplied by root 3, that is 3 multiplied by AB, minus AB as it is, and therefore denominator will become root 3 because LCM is root 3. So 3AB minus AB is nothing but the 2AB. So we can write here 2AB upon root 3. So this is the value of DC, right? So we can give this equation number 3 because we want to use this equation. We know the formula for speed. We know speed is equals to what? Speed is equal to distance upon time. Now we have to find the speed. As it is given, the speed is uniform. So time required to travel D to C, right? And time required C to B. This is what we have to find, right? So D to C time is given 6 seconds. So therefore speed is equals to, here distance is DC, right? Distance is DC and time is given 6 seconds. So let us substitute the value of DC from equation number 3, right? 2AB upon root 3, right? Because DC is 2AB upon root 3. We already have found. Divided by 6 means multiply by 1 upon 6, right? So here 2 1s are 2 3s are, and therefore we get AB upon 3 root 3 is the speed. We can say it is in meter per second. Now speed is uniform, therefore same speed will be there to travel distance C to B. Okay, so same speed we are going to use here, that is AB upon 3 root 3 meter per second, right? Therefore again we will use the formula, same, speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is equal to distance upon time. But now which distance we want to take? Here BC, right? So distance is here BC. So speed is equal to AB upon 3 root 3. Okay, and distance is BC and time we want to find, so we'll write time as it is, right? BC we already have found. Where is BC? Here in equation number 2. So AB upon 3 root 3 is equal to BC. What is the value of BC? AB upon root 3 divided by time. So multiply by 1 upon time. This we can write from equation number 2. Okay. So here therefore time is equals to what? AB upon root 3 as it is, and we'll transpose this one, that is 3 root 3 upon AB. Okay, so here AB will get cancelled, root 3 will get cancelled, and therefore we get here 3, and therefore time is equals to 3 seconds. So it will require 3 seconds to travel from distance point C to B. Okay, hope you understood this one. Thank you.